Are there alternative formats to the IRAC method? If you are curious about whether there are other ways to structure legal analysis beyond the IRAC method, you are in the right place. The IRAC method stands for issue, rule, application, and conclusion. While this format is widely taught in law schools, there are indeed several alternatives that can be just as effective for organizing your thoughts and writing. One popular alternative is the CRAC method, which stands for conclusion, rule, application, and conclusion. The main difference here is that you start with your conclusion. This approach can help you clarify your argument right from the beginning, making it easier for the reader to follow your reasoning. Some professors prefer this format because it makes grading simpler when they see the conclusion up front. However, there is a debate about whether this might bias the reader if the conclusion is incorrect. For exams like the multi-state essay exam, starting with the issue can allow for a more open-minded reading. Another alternative is the CREAC method, which stands for conclusion, rule, explanation, application, and conclusion. This format adds an explanation step before the application. This can be particularly helpful when the legal rule is complex or not well established. By explaining the rule first, you set the stage for a more thorough application of the law to the facts. Some educators also suggest a method called TRRAC, which includes two R's to emphasize the need to restate or explain the rule more fully. This is especially useful since legal rules can often be complicated and requiring detailed explanation for proper application. Beyond these acronyms, some professors recommend a more integrated approach. In this method, the rule and application are combined instead of being separated. This allows for a more natural flow of analysis while still covering the essential elements of IRAC. It can save time and make your writing more concise. While IRAC remains a foundational method in many law schools, students are encouraged to adapt their approach based on their professor's preferences, the complexity of the issue, and the specific exam format. The key is to identify the legal issue, state and explain the relevant rule, apply the facts to that rule, and reach a clear conclusion. In summary, alternatives to the IRAC method include CRAC, CREAC, TRRAC, and integrated formats. Each has its own benefits depending on the context and purpose of your legal writing.